Hey guys, Chase Rolfson with Tuore-V here. Today we're going to be going through the unit, talking about some basic safety instructions and as well some of the features that the Tuore-V has on every single model. One of the first things you're going to want to do when receiving your unit is make sure the unit is fully charged. By simply inserting the charging plug here, your indicator light is going to tell you when it's charging and then also when that charge is complete. Let's go through the handlebar control features on the Tuore-V. Starting on the left side, you're going to have your brake lever and your parking brake. To engage the parking brake, simply pull the brake back and move the switch into position. Also on the left side is your reverse button. Your reverse button with some engagement of the throttle is going to put that unit in reverse. It is very important you not engage the reverse button while your unit is in a forward motion. Come to a complete stop, check your surroundings, engage the reverse button, and then back up. Now, depending on your unit, and if it is a law enforcement or EMS unit, first responder unit, you may also have this control panel. On this control panel right next to the reverse is going to be your lights, your sirens, and your horn. Simply depress the lights to turn your lights on, depress again to turn the lights off. Here in the middle, the siren, depress once to turn your sirens on, depress twice to turn them off, and then the horn is simply a depress and you'll get a horn. Moving over to the right side is your throttle. Throttle positioning can be done multiple different ways. However, we highly recommend putting your hand in this position. That accomplishes the most throttle control as well as eliminating thumb fatigue. Moving to the center of that console is your headlight button. Simply depress, headlight comes on, press it again, and the headlight will turn off. Moving down from that console is your battery disconnect. Simply flip that red lever and it will disconnect all current from your battery to the unit. On the right side, two keys, your on-off key, your gear positioning key. You can engage your gear selector while the vehicle is in motion or at a complete stop. And on the left side of the console is your charging port. Now, should you need to remove a wheel for any reason and reinstall, be sure each lug nut is set at 40 foot-pounds of torque. Now, let's go over some riding positions. The Tuore-V is designed to be ridden either sitting down or standing up. In both situations, be sure that your feet are about shoulder width apart and firmly planted on the unit. The Tuore-V is designed to give you a tremendous amount of lean when going into turns. As you can see, the unit is extremely stable. However, practice on the unit will help you become a much better rider. Washing this unit is not a problem. However, it is highly recommended that you never use pressurized water on the unit. Just a garden hose, soap and water, and the unit will get cleaned up just fine. If you are a civilian with this unit, be sure to check your local and state laws before riding the unit on any sidewalks or public streets. Also, very important that you always wear a helmet. Now, every Tuore-V is customized depending on the law enforcement agency, the first responding agency, the EMS department, how they need it configured, or a civilian version. There will be additional features and functions placed on your unit based upon your specifications. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this short safety video. If you have any additional questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us via our website or give us a call at the 800 number listed on the screen.